Friday. You know what that means, right? It's time for a drink. Now I've got a special guest with me this evening, Marty.
Starvin' Martin.
Starvin' Martin.
That's my new name.
Starvin' Martin from the British Columbia is down here to make this video with me today, right? So we're going to introduce him to something that they don't do up there, right? But they will be doing here now. After he tries this, we hope, right? We'll see.
Yeah,
This is going to be a great experiment, don't you think?
I think so. That's something I've ever done before, so I just heard about it.
All right.
Yeah.
We're actually going to do an oyster shooter. Okay, an oyster shooter.
Yeah.
Some of our fellow crackers down in Florida know what that is, right?
Crackers.
Yeah, that's what they call native Floridians, crackers.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So, and that's another story for another drink.
Okay.
The people down there know what it is.
Yep.
All right, I'll explain it to everybody else later.
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing we want to do is get a shot glass.
Shot glass.
Okay, we're using a typical shot glass, not a Texas shot glass today. Right, you want to put your oyster in the glass.
There we go.
Get that puppy in there. All right, very good. All right, next, take your Miller Lite or whatever other beer you prefer.
Sorry.
Canada, we probably use Canadian.
Or Labatt's, right?
Labatt's,
I've been up
yeah.
there. You've used Labatt's Blue.
We got this too, but yeah.
Okay.
Lots blue.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
put a couple drops of Tabasco in there.
I always put a little more.
Yes, you do, because that's who you
That's what
are.
I do.
That's the way you roll up there. Well, let's put
Hot
some,
sauce.
well, let's put some
Yeah, there's hot sauce. What's that?
cocktail sauce. Put some cocktail sauce in there.
I'll do that. Okay.
There you go. All right.
Get
Put some
close up
cocktail
there.
sauce in there.
Yeah, that looks delicious.
Looks like
There
a
you
brain.
Okay, then grab you a napkin. Where's your napkin?
I don't have a napkin.
Oh, well, I guess you're gonna have to use my napkin when
Here
I'm
it is.
done. Oh, there you go. All right, you put your napkin on top of the drink. Doesn't that look good? I know some of you are probably.
Doesn't look good at all.
Wait.
It doesn't look quite that bad.
Okay.
Put you're on top. You slam it. As it fuzz, you drink.
There's a
Another
nail.
toenail.
Nice. There you have it. Happy Friday.